Good Sunday! Today we're making a daylight time savers recipe from 1969, Stroganoff Soup. I'm going to deviate from the recipe a little bit for the meatballs. The recipe is very simple. Just use meat, salt, and pepper. I'm going to add a little egg, a little cream, a little breadcrumbs. I want those meatballs to be juicy and not dry, so I'm breaking the recipe a little bit. It asks for a half a cup of cooked noodles. I'm going to use macaroni. It's a soup. It'll be fun. Golden mushroom soup. Sour cream, breadcrumbs, blah, 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 blah. Gosh, damn it. People are making noise outside. Very simple recipe. Let's see if it tastes good. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. We've got to try it. I like the thickness. A half a cup of macaroni was not enough. I like one, then another, one. Like two, I put about 2 cups of macaroni. So keep that in mind. Let's try some macaroni first. That's very good. Very creamy. It does have that golden mushroom taste. My macaroni was a little al dente when I put it in. It's perfectly cooked. It's very good. All right. Let's try a meatball. It's hot. The mushroom soup with the sour cream tastes really good with meatballs. They say to add the sour cream and the soup to the pan and then add the water. I didn't understand that. For one thing, the pan is hot. You've got burnt bits from the meatballs. It has 1 can of water. I add a little of that water into the pan because it deglazes it. It's hot. Visions stays hot. That is really tasty. It said it makes about 2 to 3 servings. Here's what we got left. I would definitely say you get 2 to 3 servings, depending on the size. 2.5 servings. Let's try one more meatball with some soup. This was fun. Very easy recipe. You can buy frozen meatballs. I went to Walmart this morning and I actually wanted to buy a bag of the Farm Rich. I really like those Farm Rich frozen original meatballs. It would be even easier if you're using frozen meatballs. That's very good. It would look more like stroganoff if you used egg noodles. I just thought macaroni would be more fun. Thanks for joining me this... What is today? Gracie, what is today? Sunday. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. Thanks for watching.